Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the new card in the Stocard application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the cards button at the bottom of the page on the left. And then click on the plus sign at the top of the page on the right. And as you can see, you can search for cards, or you can just scroll down and find the one that you want to add. And here you just have to either scan it or enter manually. So you have to provide the card number, and then you can save it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.